Hello everyone, it's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a Facebook tutorial on how to download videos on Facebook, okay, without using an app or a software, okay. So it's easy and simple. Continue watching. The first thing you're going to do is to go to the Facebook app. You tap to open the app. Okay, once the app opens, you are going to look for any video. It could be a video on a page, it could be a video on a group. Let's look for a video. Okay, we have a video here. Let's use this video. Okay, so for you to download this video you're seeing here, what you're going to do is to go to these three lines here. Okay, then you tap on it. Once it opens, you go down to copy link. You tap to copy the link. So once that is done, you close the Facebook app, then you open any browser of choice. It could be Chrome, it could be Mozilla Firefox, any type of browser you have, okay? So we're going to use Chrome. So what we're going to do is to tap on the browser. Then you're going to paste the link, okay? We copied the Facebook video link, we copied. You're going to paste it in the browser here. So here is the video on Facebook using the browser, okay? So the next thing you're going to do is to edit this link, okay? You're going to tap to edit. This is the link. So to edit, you're going to tap on this pencil icon to edit the link we pasted on the Google Chrome browser. Now the link is edited. The next thing you're going to do is to scroll down to the end of this link. Once you come to this M here, after the HTTPS, slash, then once you get to this place that says M, what you're going to do is to add basic to the M, okay? Let me show you that right away. Basic, B-A-S-I-C, okay? We've added basic to this M. That is the only thing you have to do. Add basic to the M, okay? That's just what you have to do. Then you tap on the link. Tap on the link. So here is the video, okay? So what you're going to do to download this video you're seeing here into your device directly is to tap on the video. Now here is the video, okay? So for you to download this video right into your device without using any app is to go to these three lines here. Then you tap on it. As you guys can see, download. Then you tap on download. As you guys can see, it's downloading the file into our device. So this is the video fully downloaded. Tap on open. So here is the video in our device. So to confirm that, let's go to our photos or our gallery in our device to confirm the video. Let's go to photos. You tap on photos or your gallery. Then next, you go to library, depending on how your interface is, okay? Just go directly to downloads in your photo library. Under download, here is the video. Let me tap on it to open. So guys, here is the video. This is how you can download Facebook videos directly to your device without using any app or software. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.